Safari. Again, reminders for everyone, please sit down and enjoy the show. Okay, now we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your hands up high to our white belted eagling, Super.
Whoa!
A white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of eagles. But wait, there's more. There comes a partner of silver, Ojin. Now the wingspan, it can grow up to 80 to 100 centimeters. Now,
Wow.
they're very to feet up. They mainly fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. The scientific name for this bird is the Lacus glyphocastor. The Lacus means white, glyphocastor means belly. So out of us are white bellied seagull named Silver and Lucian. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to reduce endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, before we terminate the show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of the show. So our bird trainers here on stage, we have here Miss Donna, Mr. Ronald, Mr. Charles, and Miss Louie. To make this even more memorable, we present you the symbol of love,
Finish na finish!
peace, prosperity, and harmony. So my name is Dustin. We have enjoyed the show. Thank you so much and enjoy.
Don't lie!
For those who want to take pictures of our photographers, kindly form a line here at the center. We have our official photographers from YouTube. Again, if you want to take pictures of our photographers, form a line here at the center. If you want to witness our white Bengal tiger
Ay, bayad na.
just go up and take your right side. So many walk going down. So once again, this is your host, Dustin.